Why didn't the chicken cross the road? It got run over halfway. We're all enigmas waiting at the crossroads of our lives, be it half-beat poets or half musicians, mainly just not fully baked. The dark and lonely highway out of Omaha, heading west across the ancient seabeds, crossing a great nation, living in an alternative universe, one finger deep in the soil of governmental Babylon, not to mention control. Left foot up on the dashboard, the 59 Ford Police Interceptor had its roar. Cruising 155, no MPH or limit. The other foot to the metal, overdrive, fully engaged. Radio a-blasting, coil spring reverb to boot, twanging at every of Ike's expansion joints on his miles of runway for airplanes. Moonlit yet pitch black, car meets sky, bottles rolling on the floor. Hank Williams and Charlie Pride, 100 watts clear as a bell, coming out of sweet Texas AM radio stations. 4:30, it's the morning, just before the sun rises to illuminate endless farms and ranches in the stillness of those cornfields, waiting for the crossroads to pull over and take relief. Deer crossing, a dent in the bumper, providing a delicious meal. Or fog on a divided highway, somewhere in the snowstorm, getting on the wrong side, traffic coming at you and nowhere to hide.